If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new notifications so that you don't miss any new videos. Hello friends, welcome to Kavita's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Besan Laddu. Besan Laddu is a popular Indian sweet dish made of besan or chickpea flour. It is mainly prepared during festival days. Let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare Besan Laddu. We need 1.5 cup besan, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, some raisins, cashews, 1/2 to 3/4 cup of clarified butter. Let's start the preparation. Keep one thick bottom pan for heating. Add besan flour. Dry roast besan for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we have to add 1/2 cup of clarified butter. On medium stove heat, we have to roast this for 20 to 25 minutes. If besan flour needs some more clarified butter, you can add clarified butter. We have to roast this until besan becomes golden brown in color. It takes around 20 to 25 minutes to turn golden brown color. It's 10 minutes now. Besan color has changed to light brown. We have to roast this for another 10 to 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes now. You can see besan is coming together. I have kept stove heat to low. When you see besan comes together like this, we have to roast this for another 5 minutes. It's 25 minutes now. You can see besan has become golden brown in color. Switch off the stove and take this in plate or any tray. Allow this to cool for 15 to 20 minutes. It's more than 20 minutes now. Besan has cooled. We have to add powdered sugar. I have taken 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and ground it into a smooth powder in grinding jar. Add cardamom powder. Now we have to mix this well. To make good besan laddu, we have to mix ghee roasted besan and powdered sugar properly by rubbing with our palm like this. Then only we get smooth texture to the besan laddu. You can adjust sugar quantity according to your taste. Now you can see besan and sugar together looks like a dough. Now we can make laddu. Laddu mixture has become smooth now. Take small lemon size laddu mixture and make it into a laddu. If you would like to add some dry fruits in the middle, you can add, or it's optional. For garnishing, we can add some cashew and raisins on the top of laddu. You can use any dry fruits of your choice. Same way I will make some more laddus. Besan laddus are ready to enjoy. In the given measurement, we can get 12 to 15 laddus of this small size. Making besan laddu is very simple and you can store these in airtight container for 3 to 4 weeks. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.